This might be the most important 2 minutes of your life, because if you continuously feel stressed, depressed, lazy, or anxious all the time, you're not broken. You're being hijacked. But today, let's take control of your brain back. First step, attention is your superpower. Every time you scroll, swipe, click, someone cashes in on your attention. You're left with emptiness. Your attention is the new gold. Guard it like a vault. Would you hand your paycheck to a stranger? No. Then, why would you hand them your mind? Invest your focus where it compounds, not where it gets consumed. Read, think, understand, reflect, and then take action. Your potential to guide your attention is the cornerstone of being in charge of your mind. Do you know the biggest secret of the most successful people on earth? They are the ones who control what they think about. Step 2. You are not your urges. A random thought pops up, give up, escape, procrastinate, scroll. That's not you. That's the noise echoing in your brain. Understand, you are the observer behind the thought. Picture your urges like the clouds floating by. Watch them, but don't chase them. The moment you create some space between your impulses and your reactions, you unlock your power, your true potential. Control that gap, and you control your destiny. Step 3. Play the long game. Every small choice is a vote for who you're trying to become. Scrolling gives you a few seconds of dopamine, but studying gives you decades of freedom. Discomfort today is peace tomorrow. Don't chase stimulation. Build structure, silence, focus, and discipline. Most people, they drift, chained to the chaos, calling it freedom. But you're about to break free, because the ones who controls their mind, controls time, controls choices, and controls life. So, stop existing, start living, and start now.